What's up guys, Dr. Drew here, back on the channel. Thanks for watching this video. So today I'm with one of our best, Luca. He is in the HVAC business as well as a small business owner. So Luca originally came in with lower back discomfort. We were able to take those spinal x-rays, see that his pelvis was shifted and he had a huge curvature in his lower back. With that being said, we started him on 3 times a week for 12 weeks. We were able to get in there, adjust him, do some physical therapy, whether it was with our decompression machine, our Scully rolls, or any type of our stretching or biomechanical machines there. So Luca, just kind of tell a little bit of our viewers a little bit about what happened, how you came in, how you found us, what we do, and kind of why you like us here. All right?
I think I found to internet to find the best chiropractic in my area, and you have 5 reviews, and that's why I choose you.
Thank you. Yeah, so Luca came in. We do have over 385 5-star reviews, so that's one of the great things about us is we are all organic. Like Luca said, we're family, so you're going to be treated like essentially a family member would. That being said, Luca, what type of treatments do you like here? What do we do that essentially gives it that above and beyond feel?
I like everything because I didn't know nothing for the chiropractic until now, and
awesome.
I find you, and now I feel better.
Anyway,
because my back, it was very bad.
Yeah. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna get my boy Luca adjusted. Follow along if you haven't already. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Deep breath in, all the way out. Perfect. Good. Relax your left shoulder here. Good. Relax this right shoulder. Oh, beautiful. How was that?
Good.
Good. Okay, lay on your left side. How's the family?
Nice.
Everyone's good?
Everybody.
Good. Good. Just relax your core here. Nice and easy. Awesome. Good. Other side. You've been keeping hydrated, Luca? Doing your stretches outside of here? Good. Good. I want you to sit up for me, Luca. Face the wall there. We're gonna get Luca's neck adjusted a little bit differently, okay? So I'm just gonna palpate his neck here, nice and easy. Feeling for those bones out of alignment. Good. Gonna adjust this right side here. Good, just relax your shoulder here, Luca. Good, drop your arm down a little bit. Nice, right there, good. Same thing, turn your head to the right as far as you can. Perfect, awesome job. All right, guys, your boy Dr. Drew here. As Lucas said, we are the best. Hit us up in the comments. We'll see you guys in the next video.